Happy Hump Day, members of the Altcoin Buzz Army. I hope you're having a terrific midweek. We know that the team at Enjin are certainly having a terrific midweek. They are up meteorically in price these last 24 to 36 hours or so, with a couple of major announcements out of Japan, including a new major cryptocurrency listing. We'll be talking about that. But, the fact is, if you've been around and you've been following Altcoin Buzz for a while now, you know that we are perennial bulls when it comes to ENJ. And if anything, we kind of feel like this is overdue. But they're getting the attention that they deserve right now, or at least they're starting to. And we feel that this is just the beginning because, of course, Enjin is a great team with a great vision, and they're very well managed as well. Not to gush too much, but we're fans of ENJ. And you know what, guys? We've been discussing this very technically in our Trade Signals group on Telegram for a long time. If you're not part of that discussion, you are missing out on crucial investment information. Now, we don't give out financial advice directly, but we do talk about news, we talk about developments. There are chart analysts that give their opinion, and it's just a lot of great cross-pollination of ideas. I make sure to pin this comment at the top of every comments section. So if you're not part of this group, that's my point of view. Very simply, you are missing out on crucial information. So we'll be discussing Enjin's updates here. We'll be discussing Linear Finance today as well. They just completed their mainnet, which is offering Binance Smart Chain functionality. That is a big deal. Ergo Summit is in the news. That's coming up on the 23rd of January, so just in a couple of days. The team is promising to unveil big things related to their revolutionary stablecoin protocol, AgeUSD, and the hardening upgrade. This is a combined effort and development of IOHK, Emergo, and the Ergo Foundation, so we look forward to that. E-money is in the news here. We'll be discussing E-money and their recent partnership with Avalanche, which is a huge deal. You may have heard about E-money's public sale. It actually sold out in 65 seconds, believe it or not. So setting records there as far as demand goes. YfDFI is in the news with farming pools that are now live. This promises major rewards to liquidity providers. We'll also finish off the video with some ShareRing updates. So guys, if you like this kind of content, every day we discuss Bitcoin, blockchain, and cryptocurrency. If that is your jam, make sure, of course, to like and subscribe to Altcoin Buzz. Okay, we're kicking off with Enjin, at Enjin on Twitter in the news here. They are the first gaming cryptocurrency to be approved in Japan after 1.5 years of due diligence here. Their tweet from the 18th of January. After 1.5 years of due diligence, we are thrilled to announce Enjin Coin, ENJ, has been approved by the JVCEA and will be listed on CoinCheck, making it the first gaming token officially authorized for use in Japan, which is a big deal, of course. You can read more about the development and that listing on Enjin.io on their blog. Taking a look at the price of Enjin, we saw a very serious jump here from just under about 24 cents or so to now we're looking at, just today alone in these last 24 hours, a 20% jump to about 41 cents. So nearly a doubling, nearly a 100% increase on this news. And not to sound like a broken record, but you guys know my point of view. I would say we're still very early in this game. Gaming and Japan and Enjin, this is such an organic fit. This is only just the beginning. If you're unfamiliar with Enjin, you've never heard about it, you don't quite know what to make of the platform or don't have an opinion on it one way or the other, check out our video that we released about a month ago at this time, actually. It breaks down everything that the Enjin platform is about. And in a nutshell, it allows developers, businesses, individuals to create fungible assets such as cryptocurrencies, as well as unique NFTs, which are non-fungible tokens. And every asset minted with the Enjin platform, of course, contains the Enjin coin, ENJ, which gives them tangible, real-world value. Right now, over 2.1 billion Enjin-powered blockchain assets have already been created by companies such as Microsoft, Binance, CoinMarketCap, and CoinGecko. Enjin's unique melt feature also allows users to destroy their blockchain assets at any time to get back the Enjin value from within. So once again, if you're interested in a full review of the Enjin platform, it's available via this video, which I'll link to in the description below. We have some news now out of Linear Finance, ticker LINA. This article here on altcoinbuzz.io by Deepika. Linear Finance pumps with successful Mainnet Buildr version 2.0 launch. So the Mainnet Buildr 2.0 launch is an important milestone because it's Linear's first cross-integration and offers full Binance Smart Chain functionality and cross-chain capabilities. In addition, it also marks the last step before the launch of the Linear exchange, which is promising faster trade activity and almost unlimited liquidity. The Linear Mainnet Buildr version 1.0 went live in December, so last year, December of 2020, and is now part of the decentralized application suite. And moreover, it's used to build LUSD by staking LINA, L-I-N-A. Next up for today, we are discussing Ergo updates, ERGO, which is a very interesting project actually developed by IOHK, which itself was founded by Charles Hoskinson, who himself founded Ethereum and was the founder of Cardano, of course. But Ergo was developed by IOHK, and it's trying to be a technically and economically advanced version of existing blockchains such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, for example. So here we have Alex Chipurnoy, Ergo core developer, who is elaborating a little bit on what the team is trying to accomplish. Quote, "We have developed an approach to smart contracts in line with Bitcoin's original concept, but with small additions that potentially cover 99% of current use cases. Ergo allows people to synchronize with the network by downloading less than a megabyte of data, reducing the process from potentially weeks to minutes, and enabling it to take place on mobile devices, all with the same security as current third-party solutions." On the 23rd of January this year, that's coming up in just a few days now, Ergo is coming up with the online Ergo Summit 2021. And according to the official announcement received so far, it's going to mark a new era of the Ergo blockchain because the team will unveil the details of its supposedly revolutionary stablecoin protocol, AgeUSD and hardening upgrade. The stablecoin is a combined development effort of IOHK, Emergo, and Ergo Foundation. Now, specifically what Ergo is trying to solve are many of the problems that are inherent to the existing stablecoin system and structures. So here on altcoinbuzz.io with this article by Deepika, Bitcoin, like Ergo, poised to solve most crucial stablecoin problems. And in a nutshell, these are what some of those problems are. So Tether, USDC, and the Gemini dollar are all highly centralized, which, is a little bit antithetical to the spirit of cryptocurrency, of course. MakerDAO is only semi-decentralized, but it is highly complex, and that's one of the challenges that it faces. So most of the existing stablecoins have a centralized issuer. Therefore, there always exists a single point of failure, at least theoretically, or manipulation. So for example, Tether has been time and time again questioned whether each USDT floating in the market has a US dollar collateral in their bank account or not. And the answer to that actually, even right now to this day, is still kind of nebulous. Ergo's ticker is ERG. It is up 10.2% on the day in these last 24 hours to just over 90 cents right now. And taking a look at the year-to-date performance, we're seeing some very encouraging numbers, actually. It has more than doubled. So we're easily looking at gains of 100% and more in 2021 year-to-date so far. Okay, next up for today, we have this announcement from eMoney at eMoney_com, who are proud to announce the exclusive primary listing of NGM, that is their ticker, on BitMax Official. From 2 p.m. UTC on the 20th of January, that's today, you can find NGM under the trading pair NGM USDT. And I guess you could say eMoney is on a roll because from a couple of days ago, they had this announcement. We are thrilled to announce that we have partnered with Avalanche. And digging into that news story a little bit further here on medium.com, Avalanche expanding stablecoin diversity in DeFi ecosystem with upcoming launch of eMoney's European stablecoins, digital euros, Swiss francs, and more coming to Avalanche in Q1 of this year. So eMoney's stablecoins will be launched on Avalanche's contract chain, that's their C chain, and will be bought and sold through the eMoney wallet with either a credit card or a bank transfer. eMoney is expanding beyond the USD-dominated stablecoin market to deliver trusted currencies that can be used in both retail and cross-border payments. And by launching on Avalanche, eMoney users will be able to send and receive stablecoins with sub-second finality and low transaction fees. And so for the first time, stablecoins will move like cash rather than suffering delays relating to block confirmation requirements or exorbitant fees. Martin Dyring Anderson, the CEO of eMoney, had this to say, quote, "We're excited to be bringing eMoney stablecoins to the Avalanche community. We already see a number of exciting projects being built on Avalanche and expect this development to continue at an increased pace. By joining the Avalanche ecosystem at this early stage, eMoney will establish itself as a go-to partner for Avalanche projects interacting with real-world economies, thereby expanding our user base and strengthening our positions as a leading issuer of trustworthy stablecoins. eMoney's ticker is NGM, and of course you can track that against the USDT here on BitMax, as we just saw a moment ago. You're going to get less accurate information regarding price on either CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap, so we do recommend that you check out BitMax for the most up-to-date prices, currently sitting at about 84 cents at the time of this recording. But that could very well change by the time you're watching this video. This from yesterday here, our public sale sold out in just 65 seconds. Thank you to everyone who participated. You guys can follow eMoney by keeping your eyes on their channels, Telegram, Twitter, and Medium. But a 65-second sellout indicates to me that there's a lot of enthusiasm behind this project. Of course, stablecoins are a major area of focus for this burgeoning, this blossoming DeFi sector that we all find ourselves in. So the future looks to be very bright, not only for that industry, but for eMoney as well by extension. So again, as I mentioned, 84 cents at the time of this recording. Let's keep tabs on that and see where it moves in the near future. I think it could be a little bit higher by the time we check in next time. Also on altcoinbuzz.io, we have this update here. YfDFI, YFD farming pool has gone live by Deepika here, who has the hat trick today. The community-powered DeFi project that exhibited tremendous strength during the grisly days of crypto is releasing its farming platform. The community is excited as the platform promises 2 more rewards to the liquidity providers. So at the time of this recording, the platform has indeed gone live, which means the liquidity providers are now able to farm the LP tokens and earn up to double-digit weekly interest. Moreover, to ensure complete security of the deposits, the farming contracts have been fully audited by Hacken Club, the leading cybersecurity organization. So the LPs on YfDFI liquidity pool number 1 were already earning 0.3% of the transaction fee on Uniswap. But with the release of the farming platform, all LPs on Uniswap will be able to, number 1, farm their LP tokens, so Uniswap pool tokens, and number 2, earn up to 10% weekly interest, that is APW. The weekly interest will be rewarded until all YFD tokens reserved for the pool are distributed. You can take a look at the finance vaults here and the breakdown, plus additional information in Deepika's article for how to start farming with YFD and additional data and info about the reward distribution. Check out this article in full for more information. We have a quick update here from ShareRing at ShareRing Global from a couple of days ago. ShareRing forges strategic alliance with KardiaChain. The formal partnership with interoperability leader KardiaChain will promote the mass adoption of blockchain technology. You can read more about it here with the link that is provided, but kudos to that collaboration between 2 of our favorites here at Altcoin Buzz. That's going to be about it for today's video. I'm going to tease some info that we're going to be discussing in the second video, which I'll be releasing later this evening. We're talking about Ethereum's daily transaction volume, which according to Ryan Watkins of Masari is going absolutely parabolic. Ethereum now settles $12 billion in daily transaction volume, which is $3 billion more than Bitcoin. So I think all of that spells out, regardless of what the price may be at this exact moment, I think all that spells out a very strong bull case for new all-time highs and then some in the very near future. We're going to be discussing here how Ethereum now processes 28% more transactions than Bitcoin. That's almost the kind of headline that you have to kind of, scratch your head and blink at a little bit before it sinks in, because that was surprising even for me. And I've been an Ethereum bull now for years, effectively. But, the story is still good for Bitcoin as well at the larger macro level. We have presidential candidates who are talking about national cryptocurrencies following the example of Bitcoin. You also have more and more athletes following the example of Russell Okung out of the NFL that are requesting payment in Bitcoin as well. So we're going to be taking a look at those stories in today's second video, guys. Stick around for that. But for the time being, make sure you're following us on all the regular social media channels. Keep checking back into altcoinbuzz.io for all the latest. Like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell, of course, to receive notifications if you guys enjoyed today's video. Best of luck if you choose to invest on this hump day. Have a great midweek, everybody. And as always, we do hope to see you again soon in our next video. Take care.